Greetings, everyone. We're here on this 5th day of May with hospitality from the heart and compassion. We're at Hogon University, baby. Columbus, Georgia. We've been treated so kindly, and we're about to go in and learn about welding, baby.
Yeah, it's your boy Black Phoenix. Bring you to that 100%. No need to step on it. But if you do, I must insist that you change the name. It's no longer hip hop. It ain't rap. Put a chokehold on it. Keep 100%. If they feelin' it, to the music. We lose it. It's that grind. So hard to find. I had to break it down. The streets was needing it. Yeah, they was fiending it. Hunting for it like a sack. I'm on that 666, hitting corners in the lag. Ballin' G, run the space age out of me. Short dog got me macking hard on every breed. If it wasn't for the pen, I have plenty seeds. Lost my focus on the hustle on robbery. Breaking bread with the hood, it didn't bother me. Ghetto boys got me feeling they philosophy. I think my mind is playing tricks on me.
Everything going smooth right now. Teaching and getting the bag at the same time. I'm gonna teach you how to do it in a minute. If you cool with me, fool with me, I'm gonna show you something. So we out here getting our class together. Everything is good. It's crazy because the guy said, you know what, I like the way that you grabbed my hand and kind of showed me, because he was just going too fast. As soon as I grabbed him and slowed him down and did it a couple times, released my hand and let him do it, it's kind of like a kid riding a bike. He was just riding and didn't even know it. He's like, oh man, I'm riding. You know what I'm saying? So now he get the concept. He was like, I always see videos and welders say, follow the puddle, watch the puddle, watch the puddle. He was like, but I'm like, where's the puddle at? I don't see it, I don't understand. But he got it today. He was like, hey man, I got it. So already within, what we've been filming about 30 minutes or so, he have already learned something that is going to take him to another level already. And so since he already have a flux core set up, we decided to kill two birds in one stone. With this session, we're going to be learning flux core and MIG welding. So today we're going to focus on flux core, and then his next section we're going to jump on wire and then be bouncing back and forth, because he already got one of those units, so we can kill several birds in one stone. So that's our goal. See, the difference you had it. The only thing I wanted to do was slow down, throw the stick out. You see how short it is? I want to keep about a quarter of an inch of the stick out. Okay. And then you see how close it is.
It was good. It was, I don't know what it is. It was just like confidence building, right? Okay. Joe came in there and he just so confident, he knows what he's doing, and he's good at explaining things. So be patient.
You need the hog on, right?
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Just get your hog on. Hustling over granted obstacles naturally.
Feeling it, I got the hood back, addicted to the music. Frank Lucas on you haters, we ain't losing.